Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JBL CLIP 3. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, 60 bucks. Alright, so let's check this out. JBL CLIP 3. Now it comes in a bunch of different colors. Let's go through the features. You get 10 hours worth of battery life. It's IPX7 dust and water resistant. And it features a built-in speakerphone. Alright, let me grab a little unboxing knife. Shout out to the Tiger Tooth. Here we go. Rah. Let's see what you get inside. Shout out to White Shoes, she got the day off. Okay, so here's your clip speaker. We'll check this out in a second. File that. You get your standard orange JBL micro USB charging cable. And of course, you get your usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. All right, so here's the CLIP 3. Now, just for size comparison, here's the CLIP 2. Now, I'll do a little side-by-side sound comparison because right now the CLIP 2 is 40 bucks. The CLIP 3 is 60 bucks. So is it worth the extra 20 bucks? We're going to find out. On the front, you got your play and pause, volume up and down. Nice clicks of those buttons. Built-in carabiner hook. JBL branded on the front. Standard mesh speaker grill on the back. Okay, this is a nice little JBL insignia. Now here's one thing. On the CLIP 2, here's your 3.5 cable built in. Let's see, do we have a 3.5 cable built in on this? No. All right, so extra 20 bucks and you're losing out on the cable. I don't know how I feel about that. On the bottom, here's your micro USB charging slot. And there's your 3.5 input for non-Bluetooth devices. Now with these clip speakers, you can't use JBL Connect and pair 100 of them together. You can only have one. On one side, here's your power button and your Bluetooth pairing. So let's hit the power button, see if we got any juice. All right, that powered up. LED light on the top. It's officially in pairing mode. Now, I don't know why they got rid of this cable. That was a nice little touch. Maybe the water resistance was killing it. I don't know. Maybe this cable kept breaking. But we'll see. Let me grab a little phone. We'll pair this up and do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all. So we back in. Now, I got this all paired up. So now let's test it out. Max volume. All right, let me pause this. All right, for speaking is small, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Now, the clip speakers have always been one of my favorites. How does this sound versus the CLIP 2? We're going to check that out in a second. But first, let's try out the speakerphone. All right, so let's call up the 24-hour diner and see what time they close.
Atlantic Diner.
Yeah, hi. What time you guys close tonight?
We never close, sir.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, thanks. All right, so the speakerphone, nice and clear. I'm sitting a little bit further away from the speaker. I wasn't even yelling. I heard them, they heard me. That's a good look. Now, the main question is this speaker worth the extra $20 over the JBL Clip 2? So let me pair them both up using an iPhone. We'll try the same song and listen out for the difference. All right, so I got them both paired up, so now let's test them out. Now, we're going to start off with the JBL Clip 2, then we'll go to the JBL Clip 3. Now, I got them both paired up using the same iPhone, same video, same volume. Here's the Clip 2. All right, now here's the Clip 3. All right, now here's the Clip 2 again. Here's the Clip 3. All right, now I'm sitting right in front of these speakers. I don't know if the mic is going to do it justice or not, but the JBL Clip 3 is definitely a little bit louder. They sound similar, but you can hear it. So is it worth the extra $20? I would say not really. But if you're going to get a new one, you might as well get the newest one that's out. Anyway, this is the JBL Clip 3 on a scale of 1 to 10. This is a major go. It's water resistant. You got the built-in speakerphone, built-in carabiner clip. Only thing that's missing is your built-in 3.5 cable. I don't know how many people really use that. I guess if you're using this for a laptop speaker, an old school one that doesn't have Bluetooth, you might need that. I actually never used it at all, but it is what it is. Anyway, like I said, JBL Clip 3 on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.
My white shoes. Cheers.